Welcome to this short online tutorial on writing a literature review, part 1, delivered to you by the Ask Academic Skills Service. We're going to be looking at some strategies for writing a literature review and some top tips and questions to help you to move away from description and into the realm of analysis. Remember that a literature review means that your role is to critique existing literature and identify a gap in that research that justifies your project. That means moving away from description and analysing and evaluating the existing research that you are engaging with by way of trying to locate yourself within the existing critical discussion and highlighting the value of your own project. Here are some tips for writing a literature review. Keep in mind the academic conventions which you must follow. This may differ depending on the field of study that you are researching in, so double check this and find the answer from your subject lecturers. Remember to engage with your reading, so think about this question: how will you use the research in your project? Don't just drop in readings and references for the sake of it. Remember, you're trying to move away from simply regurgitating what has been said in a descriptive manner. You want to interrogate and show off your critical thinking by engaging with your readings. Referencing in clusters can help you to highlight a trend in thinking. So if you notice that 2, 3 or more scholars are arguing a similar thing or using a particular approach or method, then you can summarize this knowledge and reference these people in clusters one after another, rather than simply listing what each person has said one after another, which is very similar, because this will come across as slightly repetitive and a waste of word count. Also, don't forget your critical voice. You're trying to review the existing literature, not just describe it. Your markers and your readers, they want to know how you are understanding these existing research and how you're engaging with them and interrogating them, whether or not you agree or disagree, and what you think the strengths and weaknesses of these writings and case studies are. Here are some more tips. Always employ a questioning attitude towards sources. So think about why something has been written, why this person has argued their position in this way, why have they used this particular method, and think about the so what question. So what is the value of this particular research that you're thinking of incorporating? And think about where your own project is located amidst the existing critical discussion and research. And pay attention to the importance of structure and try to move away from describing to examining. For more guidance, have a look at our Writing a Literature Review Part 2 video. Here are some strategies to help you to move into the realm of analysis. Think about how you can relate readings to one another, and are there any dominant themes or issues or areas of concern? And do you agree with the arguments raised? If so, give your reasons why or why not. And what are the strengths and weaknesses of a particular text? And what would you do differently in a particular case study? These questions will help you to not simply describe a particular study and their methodology and results and discussion, but it will help you to access the information in a way that will help you to interrogate what is being said and to analyse it on a deeper level. In summary, justify your research project and refer to supporting evidence to help create a well-rounded literature review. Engage with your sources and move into the realm of evaluation. Be aware of your academic conventions and don't give in your first draft. Always allocate time to edit for clarity and structure. And remember, take a look at our Writing a Literature Review Part 2 video for further guidance. If you're a Brunel student, there's lots of further help available on the Ask website, Blackboard, Facebook and Twitter. And you can also book an appointment online to meet with an Ask advisor and contact us at ask@brunel.ac.uk.